So today we discuss about that how to integrate with the Twitter to Facebook. So here this is my Twitter profile. I'm integrated to my Facebook profile here. So here just I'm going to Twitter account. The option call is setting option. Go to setting and privacy. Here this is going to call apps. Here you go with the option call is connecting to Facebook. When you're connecting time, Facebook login is required. Now here just connecting as Rakesh. Now our post will be showing for the public purpose, not for the friends, not for me. That is called public purpose. Now I am clicking for OK. Now it will be connected here. Very important one, what is mean by integration for Twitter to Facebook? If anybody posting on Twitter wall, they automatically post by where? Facebook profile. Now just go to your YouTube video, selecting this video here. I am selecting for this one. Now click for share, Twitter. Now click for the hashtag for video marketing, desktop for digital marketing. Now they will give the hashtag here. Now click for and now will be just. So what a purpose of using hashtag? Nothing but they are going to trending your topic using with the hashtag. One is called YouTube marketing is a trending, digital marketing tutorial. This will be tutorial will be called hashtag. Now before that you can enter in for hash for training video tutorial. Now click for tweet. Now a tweet done by our Twitter profile. Now see this, go to Twitter. Now click for home, just click twitter.com. So here they are going to wear tweets. See here, it's done by where? Your Twitter account. So we already integrate with the Twitter to Facebook. So I am going to wear Facebook, click for the profile, just is going to profile, just scroll down here. Now see this by just now who is supposed by Twitter, but I am sharing video YouTube to Twitter. So automatic post by where? Your Facebook profile also. Why? They integrate with the Twitter to Facebook. Where the option call is, I can repeat the one second option. This option call is setting and privacy. They go into apps. The option call is first one, Facebook Connect. Which one? Facebook Connect. This is called Twitter to Facebook integration. The purpose of anything posting on your Twitter wall, automatic post by where? Facebook profile. Thank you guys.